Hi everyone, so this is my Wednesday, but it's going up on Thursday video. Just got sidetracked with getting it all done. Anyway, these are tags, obviously, and I used this little oval die to take out the centers. Some of these are like double ones where you can see right through it, and then some of them I've just done one tag and backed it, as you can see, and you'll see in the video. I didn't do them all on video because I'd done some the night before and then went back and done a video on these. So yeah, the papers that I used are from the old design shop. I've used stickers, which that's the packaging for the stickers. And I've used butterflies from ARTYmaze, labels from ARTYmaze, words from ARTYmaze, and then bling. Really quick and easy if you've got an oval die, or a circle die, or a rectangle die. It doesn't have to be, but obviously when you die cut these, can't pick it up now, you're obviously left with them. So don't waste them. Make little embellishments out of them. So yeah, just enjoy the video. So here I am, just folding this piece of digital paper in half. You don't have to use digital paper, but that's what I'm using. This is from the old design shop, and it's the grungy neutral kit. This is an acrylic tag template. It comes in a pack of 3. ARTYmaze was selling them on her coffee shop. I don't know if she has any more. So here I'm just folding that in half because I want to I'm going to be using them ovals, the oval die that you see to the right hand side, and this one I want to be able to see right through when I put the wrap paper, whatever it was, like greaseproof paper. That's what I had. And then these ones I'm doing singular, so they're not going to be doubled over, but they're still going to have the greaseproof paper behind it, as you will see. So here I have done the die cutting, keeping the ovals because we're going to do something with them. So I'm just so that it obviously doesn't kind of gape open, I'm just going to glue around the inside of the tag around the oval die cut shape, and then just put the paper, the greaseproof paper, in between, trimming that off so that we've got nice even edges. And that's that one done. And then with these ones, I'm just going to use a small piece on the back. So just trimming that down a little bit, and I was at that point I thought, I hope that's okay and it's the right size, but it was. So I folded that in half so that I've got 2 pieces, and again just gluing around there to put the paper. Now if you don't have that, you could greaseproof paper, you could use packaging, clear packaging, you could use acetate. I have got loads of it, but it's in a big box, and that big box is at the bottom of a big pile of boxes. I didn't use that, so I'm just using that template again to cut out some coffee dyed paper so that I can back those 2 tags, and then I'm just gluing around again, and then I kind of went underneath the greaseproof paper so that that's stuck down as well. So I do that with both of them. So here I'm getting the stickers out. Now I either got them from one of the subscription boxes from Your Creative Studio or it was Temu, one of the two, I can't remember because they're all muddled up now. So I'm just picking my stickers, and I'm using these labels. They're from ARTYmaze, and I'm doing the wrap around with that. So I'm just obviously putting a portion onto the tag and then wrapping the other little bit around. And I'd already done 3 of these tags last night, and then I thought, right, this is gonna be my video. I'm gonna like do some more, and we popped on a butterfly and a word. The word discover. They're from ARTYmaze, so is the butterflies. And then I just, from some scrapbooking paper, actually, I'd punched out some tabs. If you don't have tabs like that, you could just use some fabric or punch a hole, but I'm going to stitch around these, so if you was going to punch a hole and put an eyelet in, do that after you've stitched around. So just looking around here for, there's loads of stickers on that in these packs, so just looking around for a few of them, and I'd kind of mix and matching them. So that's the 3 I've just made, and they're the ones from last night. So I'm just going to pop the tabs on then and do all the stitching. And then I'm coming in with this super tacky glue, and I'm putting on some little bling mesh things on each of the butterflies. So that's the last butterfly I've just popped on there, and then that's all 6 of the tags. Now we're going to play with the little ovals that were left from doing the die cutting, and I'm just going to make these will be just great little embellishments to add to a journal. So I'm simply just going to add some flowers to them and a butterfly, and you know, the job's done. So you know, don't waste them at all. Whether it's whatever you're cutting them out from, they will always come in handy for something. So I love these daisies, they're so cute, aren't they? And I love the fact of that, you know, they've got the clear surrounding, so they're like clear and you don't actually see them. This is going to make a great little kind of spring themed journal that I'm working on, so you'll probably see these in my next journal. So yeah, that was this week's project. Very quick, very easy. Great fun, and yeah, getting the feeling of spring there, big time. I also put some bling on these little butterflies as well. So if you enjoyed this video, it'd be great if you gave me a thumbs up, left a comment. If you have any questions, then ask away in the description, not the description box, but the comment section below. I really appreciate like you all for taking time out to watch my videos. Yeah, and I will be back soon with no doubt another journal or another craft with me video. Check out my playlist as well. I've got a few playlists, but check out my playlist for Let's Make. There I've got loads and loads of videos showing you just little things that you can do and add to your journals. It might help you, especially if you've kind of lost your mojo. I've seen a lot of people lately saying that they've lost their mojo, and you just need that one little thing to kickstart you back into creativity again, and maybe one of my videos might be that. So like I said, thank you for watching. I'll speak to you again soon. Bye for now.